So after some audio tests, I can definitely say this speaker is really not bad, especially for the price, around $20–25, maybe even a little bit lower if you're lucky. Yeah, I know the design looks maybe a little bit similar to the Jabil Go 3, but yeah, overall I do think it's a great speaker. It's not like the best you can buy, but honestly, it's fine. Really, for the price, you can't really find much better. And especially if you see the packaging, it is done really well. Even for, like, let's just say the climate, the packaging is as small as possible to keep the speaker also safe.